Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Today we've got an Amazon, oh my god, not Amazon, sorry, The Works unboxing brought to you by The Works. Yes, and I can't wait to get into this. Now, inside this package is a package from, obviously, The Works, and we have, I've opened this up really weirdly, but because the label's on the back, you see, but we have in here, oh lovely, very nice, nice and squashed, but yeah, this is the, in case you're wondering what this is, it's just Teddy's playpen, because there's bound to be someone asking me, go, what is that? But I got another one, and they actually said £5, I actually got it to £2.50 for this, and it is of this lovely little fox. So I've got to have this, absolutely gorgeous. Now in here, it is squashed, but it's only the outer box. It's not going to harm the painting in any way, shape or form. So yeah, so we'll just get that out like so. And, oh yes. Oh, look at that. Oh yes, that's giving you the sort of same vibes as the, you know, the hedgehog where you've got like the little flowers and stuff. That's beautiful. Look at that. And it's a much bigger picture. So it's what we call a partial. So obviously all around the back of here is not drilled. It's just the animal. But because it's so big, it's really gonna like make it as if it's like a full drill. So on this one we have 12 colours. We've got our standard boat and wax and stuff. And then in here we have, we have, I don't think I've ever done an unboxing where I'm showing it like this, but I don't have my tripod over here anymore. I'm at my relative. So we've got a black, we've got a brown, and another brown, and a peachy pink colour. Actually, I think that's brown. It's hard seeing it because I'm working on like that side, so we've got a grey and what looks to be a lighter grey there, and a dark brown and a peachy colour, and we've got a black and a little brown and another brown and a grey. Really, really lovely. Now for the best bit. Now, I never knew anything about this until a lady called Tiger Lily Bex told me about it. Yes, Tiger Lily, if you're watching, thank you so much, lovey. I have just recently discovered, after the supervisor at The Works told me they didn't stock them, and it was only certain shops that stocked them, I got an email the other day and it said you've got £1.75 voucher. So I thought, right, I'm going to go on The Works, see what's on there. Just literally typed in diamond painting, and look what came up, guys. It's the return of the stickers. Yes! Now, as you know, I have been wanting these stickers for so long. My sticker album nearly got phased out because of it, because trying to get them with Craft Buddy is absolutely ridiculous. Now, this is the 3-pack. I think they retail at $4.99 or $3.99. So at the back of my mind, I'm thinking, please don't say we've got a duplicate. But let's get into it and see what we've got in here. So, obviously, it's the mystery pack. So, yeah, my sticker album's been revived, which is really good. So, oh, just please, please, please say we ain't got a double. So, the first one is, oh, yes! It's Beauty and the Beast! Oh, yes, look at that. That is, I think her name's Belle, isn't it? What a lovely frock. Because the way she's wearing that frock, which is a type of dress here, it's like it's all splattered out. Oh, brilliant. So that's Belle. And what's the next one going to be? Please be Star Wars, please. And it is, please, please, please. Oh, that looks like we've got that one. What is it going to be? Oh, it's Tow Mater from Disney Cars. Oh, wow. Little Tow Mater. Yes. Oh, brilliant. Nice and cute, that one. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so small, like. And what is the third one be? We've got a really good pack here because we ain't got no duplicates yet. So, what is the third one going to be? The last one. What is it going to be? It is... oh! It's Pluto! Oh, isn't that brilliant? So, we've got 3 stickers, no duplicates, absolutely fantastic. Bravo! And, yeah, we've got little Pluto here. We have Tow Mater. And we also have Belle. So I'm very, very happy with that. Obviously, when you get the mystery packs, with Vinted, I knew what they were because my supplier put them on there without it being in this mystery pack. And with the mystery packs, you never know if you're going to get a duplicate. So you just have to hope and pray, if you like, that you haven't got that. But these are really good ones. Really happy with that. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. 3 lovely sets of stickers and a gorgeous, lovely little fox. So, yeah. So, really good haul there from the works. So thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always consider tapping that notification bell and you'll be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And get shopping with the works, because you never know, you might get a deal like this, only drop down to £2.50 and it is only £5, but you never know, you could snap up a bargain if you look on the works. And get yourself a Together Rewards card, because every time you shop you get points and then they turn into vouchers so you can buy lots of lovely things. And yeah, so that is my little haul from the works. I'm delighted to know that these are available through the works, so you can get these through the Craft Buddy or through the works, but I think my best luck is through the works now. Now I know that they sell them. I mean, this is just fantastic. I mean, yeah, I'm so happy that I've not got a duplicate. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the notification bell. That'll give you a notification as and when the video pops up on the channel. And obviously subscribe to the channel. It's totally free of charge and doesn't cost you a penny. And until next time, we'll see you again soon for another video. Bye!